Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope that you all will be fit and fine. Welcome you all in today's science class. Children, can you tell me from where do we get energy to do work? Yes, you all are right. We get energy from food. And children, all living beings directly or indirectly depends upon the plants for their food. So, it is necessary to grow plants that provide us food. Children, the branch of science in which we learn about growing plants is known as agriculture. So, children, agriculture is a practice of growing plants for food and other useful purpose. Children, in today's class we will learn about crops, their types and the steps to get good crops. So let us know about crops. When same kinds of plants are grown on large scale, they are called as crops. In this picture, you can see oil producing crops. This is fiber crops. So children, the crops like mustard, maize, rice, gram, cotton, they do not grow in all seasons. Crops like rice, maize, cotton, they are sown in rainy season, means the month of June to September, and they are known as Kharif crops. Children, here you can see wheat and pulses. These are Rabi crops, and Rabi crops are sown in winter, means in the month of November. Children, these crops are harvested in April. Okay? Children, you know that population are increasing day by day. So, it is necessary to grow crops and take good care of them. Farmers take all necessary steps to get good crops. Now, let us know about these steps that farmers follow to get good crops. Children, first step to get good crops is plowing. Farmers dig soil by animals and tractors. It makes soil loose so the air and water easily pass through it and helps the root of plants to penetrate easily. Second step is sowing. Farmers use best quality of seed and sow it at right time. Third step is manuring. Manure is a natural substance made up of dead and decomposed plant parts and animal dungs. Children, manure and fertilizer provide crop complete nutrition and help them to grow well and keep them healthy. Children, fourth step is irrigation. The process of watering the plants in the field is called irrigation, and farmers use canals, tube wells, rivers and ponds to irrigate the field. Fifth step is spraying of insecticides and pesticides. Children, farmers use chemicals to kill the insects that attack the crop. Children, next step is harvesting. In this method, farmer gather mature crops and it includes reaping. As you can see in this picture, reaping is a process of cutting a standing crop, and the second one is winnowing. Here you can see in this picture how the women separate the grains from the chaff. Last step is storage. In this step, crop is protected, safe for the future use. Children, hope you all have understood the types of crops and the method that farmers use to get good crops. Read this lesson, underline the difficult words, and learn their spellings. Thank you and have a good day.